Feeling a little overwhelmed by all the buzz around artificial intelligence? Yeah, you're not alone. So today, we're going to cut through all that noise with a simple, practical guide to actually using AI, whether it's for your job or just for your daily life. Let's just dive right in. So here's the game plan. We're going to start by totally busting the myth that AI is only for experts. Then we'll look at the three main kinds of tools you'll see out there. We'll cover the single most important skill for getting great results, see how it all works in the real world, and then we'll wrap it all up with a 5-step plan so you can get started like today.
All right, first things first. Let's tackle what is probably the biggest hurdle for most people. This whole idea that AI is some kind of exclusive club just for coders.
I bet a lot of you are nodding along right now, right? It's a really common feeling that this tech is just, I don't know, too complex for the rest of us. But what if we reframe that? When you strip it all down, AI is just about simulating human intelligence in machines. A much better way to think about it, it's just really, really good pattern recognition. I mean, you're already using it every single day when Netflix suggests a new show or when you ask Siri for directions. It's not magic, It's just a tool.
And this quote right here from a physicist named Kunal Garg just hits the nail on the head. It perfectly captures it. The words, the jargon, all of that sounds super intimidating, but the actual ideas behind it, way more accessible than you think.
So this is really the key takeaway. The myth is that AI is this exclusive field for programmers. But the reality? Nah. It's a tool for everyone. It's like a calculator or a spreadsheet. It's just here to help you get your work done faster, whatever your job is. Okay, so if AI is a tool, what kind of tools are we talking about here? Well, it turns out they pretty much all fall into three simple categories. Let's break them down. First up, you've got your standalone tools. Think of these as independent apps, like ChatGPT. Second, you have integrated features. This is AI that's built right into the software you're already using, like in Google Docs. And third, there are custom solutions, which are these huge systems built from scratch to solve one very specific, usually pretty complex problem. And this table just lays it out so clearly. A standalone tool like ChatGPT helps you write an email from scratch. An integrated feature, like Gemini, helps you fix that email without ever leaving your document. And then a custom solution, like that sepsis detector at Johns Hopkins, is using AI for something incredibly specific, like helping doctors save lives. Three totally different approaches for three different needs. Now, if you're still getting a bit fuzzy on the lingo, here is the perfect analogy. Just think of the AI model as the engine. It's the raw power under the hood. The AI tool, well, that's the car. It's a thing you actually get in and drive to get somewhere. The tool is what makes the engine useful. Okay, so now you know what the tools are, but how do you actually use them and get good results? Well, the secret, the absolute key, is getting good at prompting. This is how you unlock what AI can really do. So what even is a prompt? It's simple. It's just your instruction. It's you telling the AI what you want it to do. But here's the thing. The quality of your prompt is directly tied to the quality of the answer you get back. Now, to really get prompting, you have to know about something called tokens. Think of them as the building blocks of AI language, like little Legos. And here's why you should care. Most AIs have a memory limit, and it's measured in tokens. So if you're in a really long conversation and the AI starts to kind of forget what you talked about earlier, it's not broken. It's just run out of token memory. So how do you get better results? You give the AI examples. On the left, you've got a zero-shot prompt. No examples, just write me a pickup line. You'll get something probably pretty generic. But on the right, that's a few-shot prompt. You're giving it context. You're saying, here are a couple examples of what I like. Now, the AI has a style to learn from, and the output is going to be so much better. It turns out the very best prompts usually have 4 key parts. You give it context, a clear instruction, the specific input data it needs to use, and then you tell it how you want the output to be formatted. If you can nail these 4 things, you are going to be blown away by the results. All right, enough with the theory. We've talked about the what and the how. Now for the fun part, let's actually put this stuff to work in the real world. In a business? Oh man, the applications are pretty much endless. You can use tools like ChatGPT to draft all your communications, Grammarly to make your writing perfect, Whisper to transcribe an entire meeting in seconds. You can even use Zapier to automate all those boring, repetitive tasks that just eat up your day. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And hey, it's not just for work. In your personal life, AI can be your brainstorming buddy, your language tutor, your project planner, even your travel agent. I mean, it's like having a super versatile assistant that can help you organize and just make your daily life a little bit easier. You know, that feeling of empowerment you get when you start to master these tools, it's real. Just listen to what Ann Packinen, a project manager, said. Simply learning the basics made her feel more comfortable and confident, and she felt like it could actually boost her career. That's a powerful thing. So, you ready to get started? We've put together a really simple 5-step plan to take you from just being curious to being a confident user. Okay, here it is, your roadmap. Step 1, learn the basics. Take a free course. There are tons of great ones. Step 2, just explore. Pick a free tool and just play around. No pressure. Step 3, apply it to your work. Find one small repetitive task and see if AI can help. Step 4, build a tiny project. You don't have to code. Use a no-code tool and just have some fun. And finally, step 5, stay informed. Find a newsletter you like and keep up with all the new tools. See? This whole journey into AI doesn't have to be some big, intimidating thing. It's all about taking small, practical steps. You've got the concepts now, and you have an actual plan. So the only real question left is, what are you going to automate first?